د واحد لا شریک الله په نامه درنو لیدونکو سلام هیله لرم جوړ روغ او خوشحاله اوسئ زموږ نوي درس ته راغلاست. نن غواړم تاسو ته د تیر شوي زمان په اړه لنډ معلومات درکړم. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, welcome dear viewers to our agenda. Today I want to talk about simple past tense. First of all, I want to tell you the definition of simple past tense. له هر څه نه مخکې غواړم تاسو ته د simple past tense یا تیر شوي زمان تعریف وړاندې کړم. Simple past tense is used to show an action which took place at some specified time in the past. Simple past tense is used to show an action which took place at some specified time in the past. تیر شوی زمان د هغه عمل لپاره استعمالیږي چې په یو معین وخت کې په تیر وخت کې ترسره شوی وسي. Now I want to tell you the structure of simple past tense. Affirmative form جمع شکل. Subject plus second form of the word plus complement. Subject plus second form of the word plus complement. Question form سوالیه شکل. Did plus subject plus first form of the word plus complement. Question form did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus complement. Negative form منفی شکل. Subject plus did plus not plus first form of the verb plus complement. Negative interrogative form منفی سوالیه شکل. Did plus not plus subject plus first form of the verb plus complement. Dear viewers, this is the structure of simple past tense. Now I want to make example for this structure. Our first example, I spoke with my uncle last night. I spoke with my uncle last night. ما د خپل تر سره پرون شپه خبرې وکړې. ما له خپل تر سره پرون شپه خبرې وکړې. Now I want to change this sentence to question. Did I speak with my uncle last night? Did I speak with my uncle last night? آیا ما پرون شپه خپل تر سره خبرې وکړې؟ آیا ما خپل تر سره پرون شپه خبرې وکړې؟ Negative form منفي شکل. I did not speak with my uncle last night. I did not speak with my uncle last night. ما له خپل تر سره پرون شپه خبرې ونه کړې. Negative interrogative form منفي سوالیه شکل ته. Did not I speak with my uncle last night? Did not I speak with my uncle last night? آیا ما خپل تر سره پرون شپه خبرې ونه کړې؟ آیا ما خپل تر سره پرون شپه خبرې ونه کړې؟ Dear viewers, this is the examples for simple past tense. In simple past tense, we always use for negative, for question, for negative interrogative, we use first form of the verb, and in plural form and in affirmative form we use the second form of the verb. And dear viewers, subscribe our YouTube channel. Our next title is about past progressive tense. تیر شوی جاری زمان. Goodbye. د خدای په امان.